Are you sitting comfortably?
I am. Hello.
Hello.
And you might have worked out what we're looking at today. I'm really, really excited about this.
It's a giant sausage.
It's a giant sausage. God, what are we I really don't know what to do with you.
In a special sausage case. Tell me what it really is.
I've been waiting a while for this to arrive. My giant sausage case contains a really, really lightweight NEEWER LT39 tripod. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Let's get a look at it.
You are quite excited, aren't you?
I'm very excited.
You're more excited than if it was a giant sausage. Ooh.
This is the LT39 from NEEWER. What's really impressive about it is it only weighs just over 1 kilogram.
Oh my God, it's light.
It is light.
It's really light.
It's really light. And to be honest, most of that weight is in here because this is really well made, solid material. However, the reason it's light is carbon fibre.
Ooh.
Carbon fibre legs, carbon fibre shaft, really, really lightweight, 1.1 kilograms. That's why I've been waiting for it. If you move about like we do all the time, especially if we're doing any motorsport work as well, you want light, but you want solid and you want reliable.
Yeah, definitely.
So been waiting for this for a while. Let's take a quick look at what it can do. It ships with...
Show me how it works.
So it ships with the long carbon adjustable in there. Underneath there is a nice, let me turn that slightly so you can see that. There's a nice little hook that's on a standard 1/4 inch screw. Good for hooking your sandwich bag on.
I wasn't expecting you to say your sandwich bag.
Well, other people have gear bags, but they're not as important as your sandwich bag,
I was expecting some sort of photography technical stuff.
No, not no, at all. Okie dokie, so that's that. I'll come to what else you can do on that in a minute. Let's take a look at the head. I'll move it around here.
It's got a rollerball.
Obviously, we can adjust left and right. As you can see, there's degrees of marking on there, so we can line it up. The head itself, tilt it forward, is a quick release. Obviously, these attach to your camera, just quick release in and out, and a 1/4 turn to lock. Super, super simple. So as you can see here, there is a massive amount of movement and adjustment for pretty much any angle you end up being at. You're always going to be straight. So that's really, really good.
So if you're halfway up a mountain,
if you're doing your mountain goat stuff,
or
you can still get a level photo.
If you're near the steps or something, then you can still make it flat, yeah?
You can. Now, what I really like about this is once you've got your angle set, put that up. Now, if that's in the way, you can just pull it out and move it to wherever you want.
Yeah.
It's really cool, isn't it?
Oh, it is neat.
So that is a super bit of really clever engineering. So let's whip this head off. As you can see here, there's also a 1/2 inch connector. So if you're using a 1/2 inch connector that you get on the bigger lenses like our big primes, you can also just go straight onto that. However, we can slide this out, and if I pop the short extension in, if we needed to get it really low on the ground.
Oh, they just slide down to open the feet in. They just spread the feet.
Slide them out.
Well, that's straightforward.
And they hit the stops, or we can slide them again. So they have preset positions.
Oh, cool.
But now, you see,
you're pretty much flat.
we're down there. You could never do that.
No, that's why there's a little one.
With this in.
And then they just flip back up again.
And they just flick back up, put it away, or flick out. Now, I will connect this up. So it's there, just same thing as before. It has a 1/2 inch connector on. So we can put our standard head straight back on the short stick. There are more options.
Do you want these
there.
gadgets?
Not yet.
Ah, I want to play with the gadgets.
So what I can also do is pop it in upside down.
Oh, why do you want it upside down?
Because we then have a 1/4 inch connector for any standard 1/4 inch thing, whatever that is you want.
Is that
this
phone
one
thing?
Holds our phone.
Oh, cool.
So we can put the phone in there. It also has the ability to move across there. While we are talking about the phone adapter, there is a really clever party trick that this tripod has. Here and here, there is the ability to pop the phone adapter in as well.
Cool.
It certainly is, and what's cool about it? Pop you out, pop you back in. And what I like about it is it's labour saving.
How do you mean? In what way?
Because now, whenever we want to do a piece to camera, if we want to film in portrait and landscape at the same time, pop the big camera on there, put the phone in there, press go on them twice. We only need 1 take. And we'll show you that in a minute when we take this outside.
Yeah, definitely cool. What's this little twiddly gadget do?
So again, this one will fit. This fits in the top. Take this out. It's usually a little bit less sprightly when it's attached to your camera. Puts that in the top. Again, 1/4 turn, locked in place, but that then gives you a horizontal swivel for your camera as well.
To do a panoramic shot.
Yeah, well, you can do. There's any number of ways you can adjust this.
Oh, that's so cool.
So it's good, isn't it?
It's a nice colour.
So lots and lots of options. What's also cool is it ships with a couple of Allen keys, the size that you'll need for doing any loose screws up and anything that needs adjustment.
And how do these legs work?
I'll show you when we get outside, because we're on the table at the moment, but it's just like any other tripod.
Oh, okay. Cool. That's easy. Quick and easy.
So we've got to do some stuff to camera tomorrow morning.
Yep.
We've got some updates on work we've been doing on our camper van. I'm going to put that there because I'm talking to a tripod.
It's a very nice tripod.
It is a very nice tripod, and I'm very, very excited. So we'll go a little bit behind the scenes when we shoot that tomorrow morning. We'll show you how we use that tripod, and hopefully...
Are you giving away our secrets? They're not very secretive.
They're not very secret. We're not particularly clever.
No, we're not. But it is cool.
But it is really cool, and it's really light.
And even with all the little extra gadgets on, that's really light, isn't it?
Yeah. 1.1 kilos. That is just really easy to sling on the bottom of your bag.
I can see why you're excited.
I'm very excited.
Let's go play.
Let's go play.
Good morning. And what a beautiful morning it is. And today we're setting up a piece to camera to give you an update on what we've been doing with the camper van. And we're going to be using the NEEWER LT39 tripod that we introduced to you earlier in the video. So let's watch and see how we use it and how we set it all up. So John's just popping the legs out.
It's very light.
Very straightforward. Just click them. That's how you vary the height. And our drive is not flat. Oh look, I'm in the video as well. So how does that go on? Does it just sit on?
It's just
or
a
screw
standard
on?
quick release.
Ah, okay.
Drops in here, and then a single turn, and that's it. That's locked in. Focal area. It's all looking pretty good.
And what were you doing there? Were you tilting the roller ball?
So yeah,
I'm sure there's a technical term for it.
So I need it level because you're doing a piece to camera in a minute. So,
oh, I see.
There we go. We've got it all level. Now this is in the way. It's really quite annoying. So we just pull it out, move it. Now it's not. Isn't that cool? That's really clever.
That's clever.
This is obviously height adjustable.
So you're making some adjustments now. What are you doing now? What's that you're putting on?
So we've got the phone adjuster that we showed when we did the unboxing. And I'm just popping that on. There we go, that's locked in.
Just tell me again why we've got the camera down at the bottom, your phone at the bottom, and the proper camera at the top.
Okay, it's really simple. I am saving time. This bit we want to put, the intro we want to put on the short as well. So the great thing about this tripod is we can add the mount for the phone camera as well. So we're shooting in horizontal in landscape mode, we're shooting in portrait mode down here, we're doing them both at the same time. Easy to switch between this one, that one, and your one for this video, but in general we've got them all lined up, one take, assuming we don't get it all wrong,
which we quite often
which
do.
We absolutely will, and it'll be 150,000 takes.
Take
but hey,
one, two,
there you
three,
go.
4.
One take and we're done on both formats. So you need to put that down. We need to stand over there. Let's get on with it.
Let's do it.
So there we go, everybody. This is the NEEWER LT39. We've been using it already, as you've seen earlier in the video. It's really, really versatile. The fact you can mount everything to the single tripod is just really good. We've got the SLR on the top. We can film in portrait with the phone connector, which also comes with a really useful cold shoe connector. On the outside, we've got lights on there. I've got the GoPro on the top. It really is as functional as you could ask it to be. On top of that, 1.1 kilograms. That's incredibly light. So we've really had a lot of fun using this. It was worth the wait for it to arrive. Super, super happy with it. It's going in the gear bag. We're off on our adventures in about 6 hours. That's why Helen's not here. She's sorting all of that right now. And trust me, the LT39 is coming with us. It's been super useful. It's a permanent member of our family and our kit now. So if you're interested, go take a look. There's links down the bottom to the UK and the French shop. It'll take you straight to the LT39 page. And I've left a generic link down there as well, which takes you straight to NEEWER's web shop. Reason I've done that is World Photographic Day is coming up very, very soon, and they've got up to 50% discount. Now, we use a lot of NEEWER kit. It's a good quality and it's well priced. So if you're into your photography and you've not used it or not looked at it yet, it's worth a look. Anyhow, guys, I'm going to say thank you. I'm going to end it there. As usual, give us a like. Really makes all the difference and makes us, and especially Helen, happy. And if you would consider subscribing, that would be fabulous as well. Share the video with your friends, especially if they're looking for a tripod. I can't recommend this enough. It's really been good for us. We're loving it. So thank you once again. We've had a great time showing you around the LT39, and we will see you in the next video.